Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a quick unboxing on this swivel head ratchet set. This is a three-piece set from Tekton. This is the 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive set. So this was ordered from Amazon and it arrived from Tekton directly. It arrived from this bag here. Like you can see here, it has the Tekton name. So it arrived from Grand Rapids, Michigan, directly from Tekton, and it came wrapped like this. No box or anything like that, just the paper. They wrapped it in a paper and they put this Tekton sticker on it. So I'm not sure if they were new or they just sell them like this. It seems like more they were refurbished and put back in bags and put a sticker on them. I opened them when they arrived just to make sure everything is good, because they just strangely wrapped into this paper. So this is how they look like, just in plastic bags, nothing fancy. Okay, I think they were like $55 from Amazon, 3 of them. Okay, so here is the 1/2 inch. Here is the 3/8 inch. And here is the 1/4 inch. Alright, let me lower the camera down a little bit so it's closer. Okay. Alright, so let's see. This is how they look like. They have a handle here that is black and red. It has the Tekton name on it. Now, I've seen pictures in the reviews of this product. Some people bought the exact same set that says Pittsburgh. Yeah, Pittsburgh is the Harbor Freight brand. So it looks exactly the same, except here is green and I don't know what the other color is, and it says Pittsburgh. Exactly the same design, so they must be, I guess, made in the same exact factory. Now they are also similar in price. If you buy them individually, I don't know if Harbor Freight sells a set of 3 altogether, but this is a set of 3 for $55. But a Harbor Freight, if you buy them individually, they would be more expensive than $55. But they don't have a set, so you'll have to buy them individually. But they look exactly the same. Now this one says Tekton and it says Chrome Moly on it, and it's ratcheting. And this feels metal here. This piece, it feels like it is metal. So I think it will be very handy to have. There are different situations where you will need something like this. And same thing with the 3/8 inch here. And you have this button you press in here, and this, you see this ball falls down to release the socket for you. Alright, also similar situation. This feels like it is metal. Yeah, it feels like it is metal. I believe these are 72 teeth. 72 teeth ratchet mechanism. And this 1/4 inch one is very cute. So small. Oh wait, this is... Oh wait, this is a... It's just turning. This has damage. Huh. Yeah, you can see that? Just turning. Oh, maybe I left it in the middle. Let's see if these do the same thing. Yeah. Well. Yeah, I think this small one is damaged or something. See, it's just turning like this. I don't think it's supposed to turn like this. It's not engaging the mechanism that is supposed to be engaging. Yeah. I guess they have lifetime warranty, but I'll see if I... Yeah, it's just turning like this. I don't think it's supposed to do that. Yeah, I don't think they're supposed to do that. Anyway. Yeah. Alright, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing on this set. See what the lights are. So, quick unboxing on this set. Looks neat, and this 1/4 inch functions left and right, but when it's in the middle it just turns, not engaging anything. Maybe that's just the way it is, I'm not sure. I may email the company and see, they have a chatting option. Maybe I'll chat with them and see what they say about that. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Simple, quick, and easy. Alright, thank you so much. Bye-bye.